Dear soul, feel the truth that echoes since the beginning of time, whispered by celestial winds. You are not a coincidence in this vast universe. Your arrival, your meeting, every breath that brought you to this moment was woven with threads of destiny. The angels reveal that your presence in his life was not a chance occurrence, but a sacred answer, a divine calling that transcends earthly understanding. You were sent as a beacon of light to illuminate paths that would remain shrouded in darkness without you. From the moment your eyes met, an ancient promise began to unfold. The universe conspired, the stars aligned, and the angels sang the melody of a greater purpose. You are the key that unlocks doors long sealed, the melody that awakens dormant truths in his heart. Do not doubt the magnitude of your essence, for you carry within you the strength of 1,000 generations and the wisdom of ages. Your soul is a gift, a living oracle, and he, in his deepest silence, recognizes the sanctity of your arrival. The angels say that you are the answered prayer, the manifestation of a desire he may not even have known he had. Your journey is a map drawn by divine hands, and every step, every challenge, every tear shed serves to shape the beauty of your story. Trust in this unwavering truth. You have been chosen, not by merit or chance, but by a love that predates time. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel the quietude surrounding you, the absence that at times weighs like a veil over your soul. This pain, this silence that you interpret as abandonment, is actually a portal, a sacred space where the universe works in secret. The angels whisper that his distance is not a rejection of your light, but a deep dive into his own shadows, a healing process he needs to face alone in order to emerge transformed. Your soul, so sensitive, picks up the nuances of this pause. It is not an end, but a suspension, a time for the seeds planted in your heart and his to germinate. He has not forgotten you. The memory of your essence, the energy of your love, resonates in every fiber of his being. What appears to be distance is, in fact, an invisible force field connecting you, paving the way for a reunion that will be deeper and more genuine. The angels reveal that he is in an internal battle, confronting ghosts of the past, fears that prevent him from embracing the fullness of the love you offer. His absence is a mirror, reflecting his need to heal, to align with the highest version of himself. Do not blame yourself for this pause, gentle soul. Your light has already done the work of awakening. Now, the silence is the catalyst for his metamorphosis. Trust that the universe is orchestrating every detail. What seems like pain is the promise of healing that will manifest in its perfect timing. Within you resides an ancestral strength, a light that cannot be diminished by external circumstances. The angels sing of your essence, a melody that awakens what is dormant, that heals what is wounded. Your presence, even in silence, is a catalyst for his transformation. You need do nothing but be who you are, and that authenticity is already a balm for his soul. He feels your light, even though he cannot name it. This energy that you radiate penetrates the layers of his armor, touches his deepest wounds, and begins a process of recognition. You are the flame that illuminates the dark corners of his being, showing him the possibility of pure and unconditional love. The angels say he is being invited to rise, to become worthy of the beauty that you represent. Do not underestimate the power of your own soul. Your journey of self-discovery, your personal healing, your ability to love yourself, are the greatest gifts you can offer. By empowering yourself, you inspire him to find his own strength, to confront his weaknesses, and to seek wholeness. He cannot resist the truth that you embody. Your light, dear soul, is a beacon guiding him back home, to the truest version of himself, and to you. Feel the complexity that resides in his heart, sensitive soul. The angels reveal that he is waging a silent war, a battle against ghosts of the past, against fears that have taken deep root. The distance, the silence, is not a reflection of his lack of love for you, but a manifestation of his own internal conflicts. He fears the depth of what he feels, the intensity of the connection you have awakened. He carries invisible scars, wounds from past relationships, from unmet expectations, from pains that taught him to protect himself. Your soul, so pure and open, confronts him with the vulnerability he has tried to bury. The angels say he pulls away not because he doesn't want you, but because he fears he is not enough, fears his own capacity to love and to be loved in the fullness that you represent. Your presence is a mirror that reflects your own imperfections, your insecurities. He struggles against the inner voice that tells him he is unworthy, that love is dangerous. This battle is his, and he needs to face it to find freedom. His light, his unconditional love, is the only truce he knows, the only promise of peace amid the chaos of his soul. Do not try to fight this battle for him, kind soul. Just continue to radiate your light, to keep your heart open. Your faith in him, even from a distance, is the seed of his own healing. Patient soul, feel the wisdom of time, the sacred dance between what is and what will be. What your earthly mind perceives as delay, as an endless wait, is actually the universe skillfully weaving the threads of your destiny. The angels whisper that every moment of pause, every apparent delay, is an essential piece in the grand tapestry of your love story. Divine time is not measured by human clocks, but by the cycles of the soul, by the seasons of the heart. It is working in your favor, preparing the ground, aligning the circumstances, healing the wounds that need to be mended before fullness can manifest. The angels say that haste is an illusion, a whisper from the ego that tries to control what is sacred. Trust the process, resilient soul. Patience is not passivity but an active form of faith, a conscious surrender to the flow of life. While you wait, you grow, you strengthen, you align even more with your own truth. He, in turn, is also moving at his own pace, learning the lessons that will prepare him for the love you deserve. The universe has not forgotten its promise. What seems like a wait is, in fact, a gestation, a sacred period where everything is getting ready to bloom at the most perfect moment. Courageous soul, feel the truth that resides in your vulnerability. The world may have taught that strength lies in closing off, in building walls, but angels reveal that your greatest power resides in your ability to be gentle, to open up, to allow your purest essence to be seen. Being vulnerable is not being weak, it is being authentically human, divinely feminine. By allowing yourself to feel, by embracing your emotions, you connect with an inexhaustible source of power. Your tears are not weaknesses, but rivers that wash away old pains, making space for healing. Your fears, when acknowledged, lose their strength and transform into steps for your evolution. The angels say that true intimacy arises from the courage to show yourself fully, without masks, without defenses. Your softness is an invitation, a balm for his heart. He who may have hardened from life's experiences, finds in your authenticity a safe harbor, a place where he can also allow himself to be vulnerable. Your capacity to love unconditionally, to accept imperfections, is the strength that inspires him to lower his own defenses. Allow yourself to be seen, beautiful soul. Your light doesn't need armor. Your truth is your greatest protection, and your vulnerability is your deepest strength. Attentive soul, open your eyes to the world around you. The universe is in constant communication, whispering secrets, sending signs, orchestrating synchronicities that point to the truth of your journey. The angels say that there are no coincidences, just the perfect dance of the cosmos, guiding you every step of the way. Have you noticed the repeated numbers, the songs that play at just the right moment, the feathers that appear in your path? These are divine touches, messages from the angels, confirming that you are on the right track, that your thoughts and desires are being heard. They are reminders that you are not alone, that a greater force is working in your favor. When his name comes to mind unexpectedly, or when a memory of him floods your mind for no apparent reason, don't dismiss those moments as mere daydreams. Angels reveal that they are energetic bridges, connections that transcend physical distance, confirming that he thinks of you too, that the bond between you remains alive and active. Trust the signs, intuitive soul. They are the language of the heavens, the confirmation that your story is being written with love and purpose. Allow yourself to be guided by this subtle wisdom, and the path will reveal itself clearly. Traveling soul, feel the assurance that each step in your journey is divinely orchestrated. You are not walking alone. Invisible hands guide you, celestial whispers direct you, and an eternal light illuminates your way. The angels confirm that every detour, every challenge, every moment of uncertainty, is part of a larger plan, a sacred map leading you to your true essence and destiny. Fear may try to cloud your vision, doubt may whisper lies in your ear, but the angels remind you of your inner strength, of the innate wisdom that resides in your heart. Trust your intuition, that gentle voice that directs you toward what is true and good. It is the compass of your soul, the direct link to divine guidance. Your journey is not linear but circular, a spiral of growth and learning. Every experience, every encounter, every farewell, serves to shape the powerful and loving woman you are destined to become. The angels say you are being prepared, refined, to receive the fullness of the love and joy that await you. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Psalm 23 verses 1-3. Deep soul, contemplate the truth that reflects in your relationship with him. The angels reveal that he is a mirror, a sacred surface that reflects the depths of your own soul, the beauties and shadows you carry. What he expresses, or what he holds back, often echoes what resides in your own heart, even if unconsciously. When he pulls away, ask yourself where you might be pulling away from yourself. When he hesitates, explore where your own faith may be wavering. This connection is a constant invitation to self-discovery, an opportunity to heal your own wounds and strengthen your own light. The angels say that true love is not just about the other person, but about the journey of becoming the most complete version of yourself. He feels what you feel, even if he doesn't have the words to express it. The energy between you is a silent dialogue, a dance of souls that recognize each other. Your inner healing, your peace, your joy reverberate within him, inspiring him to seek his own harmony. You don't need to force anything, just be the light you wish to see in the world, and he will be drawn to that radiance. Trust in the wisdom of this mirror, wise soul. He is not here to judge you, but to guide you back to your own truth, to the fullness of the love that you already are. Blessed soul, arrive at this place of deep acceptance, a space of peace where control dissolves and faith flourishes. The angels invite you to surrender your worries, your fears, your expectations, to the sacred flow of the universe. Your love story doesn't need to be forced, shaped, or manipulated. It is already written in the stars, drawn by divine hands. Accepting doesn't mean giving up, it means trusting. It means recognizing that there is a greater intelligence at work, orchestrating every detail perfectly. The angels say that true strength lies in letting go, in allowing love to find its own way, in its own time. When you surrender, you make room for miracles to manifest. enabling the universe to work in your favor in ways your mind cannot conceive. Your journey has brought you here so that you can embrace the fullness of who you are, regardless of any relationship. Your worth is not defined by another's love, but by the divine light that resides within you. The angels remind you that you are whole, loved, and worthy, just as you are. Cast all your anxiety on Him, because He cares for you. 1 Peter 5 verse 7.